Good afternoon, everyone. So as Chad said, I'm Chief Proctor at BMLL. For those who don't know BMLL, we take historical order book data at the most granular form you can get and turn it and build analytics on top of that. And I'm just going to quickly show a couple of slides, or one slide, to sort of look at that impact and answer that question about the sort of the change that we've had with COVID and the last sort of year to 18 months, what that's implied. So here we've got aggregated just on one venue across the LSE. We've looked at a couple of specific statistics. First of all, we've got the traded volume on the lit order book and the spread of sort of the top two values that we can see. And it's probably not surprising that we've seen this huge jump in volumes sort of February, March, April time last year, as well as a massive increase and widening of spreads. And that's probably not surprising to anyone here. I think what we noticed, and one of the things that we've certainly seen when talking to our clients, is actually there's a lot more beyond that. So the bottom chart there is the average resting times of orders. So to do that, we've actually taken every single order from the order books on the London Stock Exchange and said, okay, how long are they actually sitting on the order book for? And you see a real decrease. And this is aggregated across the whole market, hence the sort of timescales. But you see this whether you look at the FTSE 100, the 250. There's a real decrease in the length of time these orders are spending on the order book, and that's signaling a change in trading state. So these types of implications actually mean, by looking beyond the top of the order book, there's this whole structure that's changed and that's happened over the past year. And looking at this historical data is going to be critical to any TCA you do, any real-time analysis, any actual trading that's going on. And one other thing I'll just point out is you can see on the top bar there are these increase in volumes on the right-hand side there due to things like good news events, such as vaccines coming through, or change in political state, such as when Biden succeeded Trump in office. But what we noticed, and what you can see on the bottom chart, is the resting times haven't been affected. So while volumes and spreads might give you some information, actually by looking at the full depth of the order book, you can see a lot more of this, and that's absolutely critical for this TCA, for building out any machine learning, any automation, and actually using that to execute trades.